Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay, so in this question it is given, it is all about the football team selection, and there is a football team consists of 20 freshmen and 20 sophomores and 15 juniors, and 10 seniors. Okay, 10 seniors are there. So now we are selecting randomly 4 people as captains. Okay, and those 4 selection, if in the first part of question they are asking if all 4 selection are seniors from seniors, that is probability that we are selecting 4 seniors. So basically here we can see there are 65 people are there. So 4 selection you can do by using 65C4. Now that will be the total number of selection. Now the favorable case is here you are selecting 4 seniors. So there are 10 seniors are there. From there, you are selecting 4 seniors. So favorable case will be what? 10C4. Now we can reduce this. We get 0.00031. This will be the required probability. In the second part of the question, it is asking probability that there is 1 freshman is there, 1 sophomore is there, 1 junior is there, and 1 senior is there. How many ways we can select? Again, total number of ways we can select 4 people will be 65C4. Now our selection is 1 freshman we have to select out of 20. So 20C1 into out of 20 sophomores we have to select 1. That is also 20C1. Out of 15 juniors you have to select 1 junior. And out of 10 senior, 1 senior. Like this. So again we can reduce 20C1 means we know NC1 is equal to N. So 20C1 will be 20, 20C1 will be 20, 15C1 will be 15, 10C1 will be 10. Okay, again substitute all these values, we get 0.0886. The required answer. In the third part of the question, it is asking there are 2 sophomores are there and 2 freshmen. So probability of getting 2 sophomores and 2 freshmen. Again, the total number of ways we can select is 65C4. The favorable case, 2 sophomores you have to select. You can see there are 20 sophomores are there. So from there you have to select 2. And again there are 20 juniors are there. Sorry, 20 freshers are there. You have to select 2. So 20C2 will come. Again, substituting all these values, we get the answer is equal to 0.0533. In the last part of the question, it is asking there is at least 1 student is a senior. The probability of at least 1 senior. So when questions are coming like at least, how we can do is this one we can do like 1 minus probability of no seniors. Okay, so at least 1 senior will be equal to what? It is just a conjugate event of no senior, right? So 1 minus the probability of no senior. That means 1 minus how we select 4 people without seniors. So we can see there are 65 people are there. Out of that, 10 seniors are there. So remaining there are 55 people are there other than seniors. So from here you have to select 4 people. So that you can do by 55C4 ways. And again the total number of selection will be what? To remain the same, 65C4. Again put in these values, we get probability will be equal to 0.496. This will be the required probability for last part of the question. Hope I solved your problem here.